Yeah, SPY above 585. We are bullish AF. I think the lows are in from data drop, but flip short under 581 and a half and QQQ 506, but I'm bullish above the data lows. GME I'm taking next week $32 calls. As long as we're holding above it. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm long Nvidia, IWM, and Tesla, and I'll be adding to all of those as long as by. Oh, let's go. Yeah, Nvidia's gonna reclaim 138. So I'm adding to all my longs above as long as SPY and Qs don't break down, which, like I said, I don't think they will. So Qs we want to hold 510, SPY we want to hold 585. Um, I will say, in talking with Archie, made a lot of sense of kind of the price action we're seeing, a little bit of speculation. We have the inauguration on the 20th. We have FOMC on the 15th. And then the 17th is a big expiration in terms of options data. So right now, I guess the way that I make sense of it, and like I said, in talking with Archie, it makes a ton of sense to me that we are, range bound like this on the. Let me pull SPY up here. On the indices, right? We're trading sideways really violently, up, down, up, down. A lot of indecision. From an options data standpoint, the expiration on the 17th is definitely what's holding us down. In Archie speak, it's a high delta, I believe, and he'll be here a little later to clarify if I'm getting anything wrong. But either way, that 17th of January expiration, we do believe after that we get more of the trending moves. So, um, like I said, based on the options data, um, aligning with FOMC, the inauguration, all of the uncertainty, making a lot of sense of the price action that we're seeing, the lack of direction, the theta bang that we've been getting. So take that, as you will. I think buying theta on long and swinging longer term is the way to go. Just to avoid, like I said, getting theta banged like I am. Like I got theta banged this morning with this gap down. That's why I'm gonna have to add to my longs, but my thesis is not invalid. So I have no problem adding to my longs. Obviously would rather be green this morning than red, but my thesis is not invalid. I have a long thesis. I'm going to add to my positions until my thesis is invalidated. But again, buy theta because we're not gonna go to 600 today. I don't think on SPY or anything like that. So protect your motherfucking self and let's make some money today. Yeah, like and share the space for me if you don't mind. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Throw a comment in the stream if you're on the streams as well. Give me a decent sweep of 32 on GME. I would not chase longs out of the gate. Theta banged, absolutely. Like I said, I mean, it makes just, again, it's a lot of speculation in terms of the inauguration, but not speculation in terms of the data, um, or the price action. So, Bitcoin is holding 92. Below 96, I think we have a higher probability of breaking down, which, like, again, with SPY's breakdown level being 581.5, if we did start to break down all across the board, QQQ, SPY, Bitcoin, I do think if one did it, we'd probably see the other. It's not a guarantee, though. Um, yeah, my guess is like if I feel like the only like real directional price action we're gonna get is downside. Like, I mean, we're basically in a $10 range to the upside. I think we could see 595 to the upside if we don't break down. But like if we break down, we could be breaking down very hard. So I kind of assume, like again with that 17 expiration, FOMC next week, we're just gonna be like really range bound and banging theta. So again, not a bad week to just like not fucking do shit. Honestly, this next week, in my opinion. Really nice retest on Qs of 510. Some pennies getting a couple bounces this morning. RX is back into $7. I like this equity play long term above $7. I think any sweep below, as long as we're above like 650, gets reclaimed. Probably add some this morning. So I think my average is like 730. Oh shit, I don't have my fucking things up. My bad. Let's buy back above 585. A little diagonal here working. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull back 5, pull back into 585. I'll probably try and take 585 long if we do get this move here. Yeah, some comments on the, been talking to people. Oh my goodness, that's really not good. About all the, what are they, like quantum robotic stocks, shit like that. I mean, for now the market's calling bullshit. Like, the market is buying the fact that Jensen, I think his name's Wong, not Wang. They're buying the fact that quantum is going to take 20 something years, just for, I mean, for now. Like, I mean, that's why we continue lower. It's why people aren't like, oh, the market's not calling bullshit on Jensen Wong's comments. The market's calling bullshit on quantum for now. So I think we do have, I mean, obviously, I don't know what. RGTI, QUBT. Yeah, I mean, we're going to take some time to digest. I have alerts set just below $8 on QUBT. I want to see what's, like, when that happens. I want to see what's going on. That doesn't mean I'm just buying blindly, but RGTI $7. Um, if and when those levels hit, I want to take a look at the patterns and kind of see what's going down. GME below 32, probably start to scale. MSTR strong above 325. IW, I'm trying to hold on. Getting momentum. MVST, nice move. VRME. This chart looks pretty good. Pretty liquid though. Oh, let's go. Baba into $80 here. So China breaking down harder. I like it. I like it. I think Baba's gonna sweep 80, but I would watch the $80 level for a strong bounce. Bitcoin falling in to test 92s. Yeah, we want these higher highs and higher lows to hold, or the breakdown is looking more likely. Check out Orion. Yeah. Yeah, I think we might be holding here. Might take some NVIDIA shorter dated 135s. If we hold it, we gotta hold like all these lows, like literally all of these that we're breaking down. Huge spot NVIDIA. But again, nothing telling me that even if we do hold these lows, we're not just gonna fucking chop. So I'll probably do next week 135 on Nvidia. Nice. Yeah, Tesla was actually really strong. Like to see that. GME further below 32. See if I can get a. Ooh, Apple at 138 too. 238, sorry. I have not looked at GER since that. Ooh, yeah, cooked. Well, actually, it's just on its fifth down, I think. GER, I'd be looking at 13 sweep. Makes a lot of sense. But again, I don't know what this is. Technology group. I don't know if that falls into the quantum, robotic, computing shit either, though. Video intelligence, and security, edge AI, data analytics. Okay. Bouncing. Give us the reclaims. Gimme, 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 gimme. Come on, Nvidia. Do it to it. Yeah, MBST, nice. Yeah, wow, what a gap up. A lot of pennies getting some, call them dead cat bounces for now. Oh, baby. Come on, come on. There you go. Give us some Momo. Just a little Momo. Just give us a little. I think I'm on mute. I don't think I was. Maybe I was. IWM, nice. Nice move, nice move, nice move. Give me 220. Let's fucking go. Tesla, nice. Green, green, green. Only green stock in the market. Bitcoin bounced really nice too. Actually, a lot stronger. Bitcoin's stronger than the market, so if you want scalps, I would look there. Bitcoin stuff. Bounce is failing here. Damn, zoom went to 77. Holy shit. Views going lower. Wow, yeah, nice pop on VMAR. Damn, a lot of volume. It's a lot of resistance at 3.5. It's got to get over 380. Can get a nice move. I really like volume though. Swerve boner? Oh, I got shot down. It is back above 17 though. Just make up your mind, hurry up. We're either about to break down hard as fuck or bounce and squeeze shorts. So hopefully we get some momentum one way or another here in a couple minutes. All right. All right, all right, all right. Oh. GME trying here for 32. Let's get it. MSTR, baby. Give me 340. Come on. Just send Bitcoin tanks by. Fuck it. Come on. Really don't want to fail 32 here on GME. If we do, probably headed to sweep 31. Here we go. Come on, do it, do it, do it. VMAR failed breakout for now over 380. Yeah, be careful. Could definitely just range back into 250 here, but 380 would be breakout. Oh shit, it's not working.
Good morning.
What up? Oh shit. Damn, this is gonna be the most boring day.
Yeah, I kind of have that feeling too.
Doing a good job so far.
Morning, kitties.
Good
What
morning.
up?
Are you enjoying the snow?
Dude, I love it. A snow day, a nice, gentle snow day. No wind.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah.
Wind's been brutal.
Unity. Is you dead? It's not quite dead. It's still hanging on to really ugly pattern, but man, yeah.
You talking about Unity?
Bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Unity. It's got to get back above 22. Like, otherwise, yeah, it's breaking down. Otherwise it is probably headed fucking $18. Wow, they really baited the fuck out of retail there, didn't they?
Got him.
Gotcha.
Oh, SPY is attempting to break down here. So is
Just do
Q's.
something. Oh, so is GME.
Just fucking
Discount.
dump it, dude. Dump it $10
Yeah.
fucking dollars, honestly.
Ooh.
Just do
Easy,
it.
big fella.
Just do it. I'm tired
Yeah.
of range trading.
And then just bounce right back.
I want to like trade. Well, I want to like swing. I don't want to be trading like this year. Sizing up on dollars, sizing down on trades. Come on. Give us a down 5% day. Fucking do it.
Oh, oh, I just got so much filled at a discount. I thought Austin was out of the inn.
Oh, he's back in the end, baby.
He's back in.
He's like a yo-yo in the end.
Oh,
Yeah, China's
Kiyosai.
getting banged up.
Wanna let Art be it?
Very close to just melting down. Just do it. Like, fuck it. I'm with it.
Tesla
Position
360?
properly.
Tesla will be the only green stock.
Down.
There it is. Come on.
Oh.
I'm about to flip short.
GME rejected 32. No bueno.
Oh, yeah, I did.
I just called it break and retest.
Let me in. Oh, shoot. I never.
Give us
shared my mic.
570.
$570.
Yeah.
It's a
Ooh,
5, a 7, and a 0.
Yep.
okay. Let's go. Oh, did you let Archie up?
No, I haven't yet.
Howdy.
Yo, yo.
Hi.
Hey,
What's up,
hey.
Ben?
Hey, what's up? So is CNBC talking about markets in tomorrow yet?
Probably. I would imagine.
Pack it in.
That'd be great. That's a long signal. Um, is anybody know of the data? Data came in this morning, right? That's probably what's happening. Okay.
Mhm.
We have a very interesting area right here. Right where we at? Let's see what happens. But
Do you think we're gonna tag 30 on GME?
I mean, probably the best thing that happens, right?
Right? Can we just drop it right there?
I mean, Delta looked like he could just keep going sideways
Yeah, I think
for
it's
a
gonna.
little longer.
I think it's going for 31, but I think it bounces. But yeah, probably sideways chopping.
Hmm.
If it goes 30, it's breaking a lower low, so we would be in a trend shift. So we'd probably not be bullish.
No, definitely not. Yeah, no.
Or like I think the outlook would change
Hmm.
quite a bit actually. We'd be breaking. I think if we would break down 31, we're headed to 28 in my opinion.
Hmm. Okay, I'm taking some profit here.
I literally want today to be down 5%.
Today?
Yep.
SPY?
Yep.
Hmm. I mean, it's not really bouncing where it could be bouncing, but let's see what happens here. VIX is trying to break above 20, which is crazy.
Just fucking melt us down. Literally just fucking dump it.
$5 candle.
Literally.
$5. $10. Let's get real crazy.
Do have some support. Yeah. At this point, I think we're just gonna be chopping down. I literally think every rally should be sold, and we're going to 570, but I don't think it's gonna happen quickly. Or at least I don't know. I hope it happens quickly, because then it would just like happen. But I feel like we're about to probably bounce 580, 580, 585, and just continue to get dragged down exactly like we have been. Like lower high, right?
Mm-hmm.
Since the all-time high, big sell-off, lower high. We didn't set a lower low, but now we are setting lower lows. So trend is lower lows, lower highs. So we have to assume that that same thing is going to happen. It was higher lows, lower highs. So it was just squeezing. Now we're breaking down. Or pinching, where like kind of, what's the word? I don't know. Tightening up.
Pinching.
Tightening up, like, you know, like a flag.
Compressing.
Like, yeah, compressing. Now it's expanding lower. Yeah, exactly. That's a good word. There we go.
Do you want to take a look at CDT for me?
What was that? I didn't hear you.
CDT, cat
CDT?
dog. Yeah.
You feel better, Ashley?
I'm feeling better. I
Yeah.
kind of had a runny nose, but it was so fucking cold out yesterday, and I was out in it.
Oh, for work.
Yeah, actually to do my real job.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah, today's the
bounce.
first day I've had a cough like in 3 weeks.
Oh jeez.
Don't bounce
I'll
here.
probably-
Don't bounce
I'll
here.
probably go out in the snow and get sick again.
Down, 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 down.
Right.
No bounce. 0 green candles all 2025.
Stocks will go down.
Stocks only go down, dude.
Flip to a bear.
Yeah, I mean, we broke the levels.
I'm
I'm just
fine with
trading
it.
the math.
Let's just go. Let's go one way or the other.
We're definitely going one way.
Lower?
I just really don't want to bounce back into range, because then like, I mean, once we bounce back into range, we're just gonna make a lower high, and we're gonna do the exact same thing over again. So now, like, instead of this triangle, this just looks like a diagonal. Since we set the new low, we lost the higher high, higher low triangle. Now we've set 1 wave, 2 waves, 3 waves, 4 waves, 5 waves, which in a 5 we should have caught 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we would have caught here. But now we're probably in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $570 and $480. See you there. Bye. Ooh, NVIDIA. Nvidia is trying to save the market intraday.
What a nice move on RGTI.
Down, 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 down. Bad, bad. Dip it. Dip it.
Oh, man.
Lower. Oh no, it's trash day. Ah,
Especially if this low gets took, which I think it definitely is. But when that low gets taken, 577. Come on, Nvidia, you bitch. Mm. Nvidia trying to hop into 135 here might save us intraday. LAES 313. Oh, it did almost get down to 5. Oh shit! What? No, this thing went to 350 this morning.
What is that?
Wednesday. No, that was last week. Never mind. I'm just LAES. I was tripping. I didn't see it run down to $3.
Hmm.
Really nice
that
ABC though.
quantum?
I think it is quantum. Something related to that shit. I like electronic technology. Computers stuff. Yeah, I mean, I think we're in a wave 3 to fucking
570.
and it might even get worse. Yeah, but yeah, that'd be the first spot. Yeah, I'll try and do some math right here, cause, well, like with these 5 wave things, like, so if you look at the AI worked out perfectly. Not perfectly. It went bearish, but the bearish projection worked out perfectly. And here on SPY and Qs, we're in a very similar situation where, in my opinion, we just invalidated a fifth, like a wave 5 bounce, which wave 5 bounce could have been trend ending. To me, we just started a larger move down, which, yeah, 570, which doesn't mean I'm not saying we can't bounce into 590. But ultimately below, what was it? What did I say? 581.5. This move here became, come on. Oh, there we go. Son of a bitch. Why are you doing this? I guess we haven't swept this. This looks different now. What the hell? I guess I can't say that yet. Maybe I had my levels wrong this morning. 580 reclaim, we could survive.
Let's not.
But like Archie said also, I would have wanted to see bidding which like still could happen because this didn't get tagged. What's the low? A penny off.
We're having some very bearish readings on SPX.
Beautiful.
So it's like it's too soon for me to be like super. Again, hold on. Let me tell these guys on Discord that I'm gonna say something really important here. Because we went. I'll just send them a message. This morning we talked about negative gamma, right, and how it will overstretch some moves, make them a little more extreme. This is what's happening right now with the 580. We're getting some. It's getting a little bit too bearish. The issue right now that I see is that if because of it's getting too bearish, it's gonna bounce. But if that bounce cannot get it back as above 580 again, then yes, we're gonna go to 574, 575, and whatnot, and then eventually 570. Right? That's the like path I see.
Mm-hmm.
But if because it's getting way too bearish, way too quick, now we hold above 580, then then we can bounce, right, and do what we're doing. But it is like we having some extreme readings, especially in SPX, which makes me like
Yeah,
I don't
Nvidia
know,
held
but-
that low.
let me send out voice recording to the folks here. Actually, I'm just gonna write.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
I see pretty much the same thing. I mean, even if we save 580, like fuck, bro, we could literally see 595, but I still think we're going 570. Sadly, just with the structure the way it is, I'd love to be wrong. I hope I'm wrong, honestly. But the way I'm looking at this, mm-mm. Yeah, I think sitting out the next week is just the best thing to do.
I guess it's a good thing I'm going away.
I guess I'd be long over 580 and not do shit. Q's got to reclaim 506 though. Yeah, I am. 135s for Friday. Next Friday, fuck. Luca. Just above that 134 low, that was like the 786. So that was the level I was saying, like, could save the market intraday if Nvidia held that and bounced 135. So matches with 580 on SPY. All right, I'm about to break down the two SPY projections and see. Okay. So bullish. Save 580. We did have not swept this low here back on Friday the 20th. So if we look at this with a bullish lens, we've talked about this before in the bullish scenario, which nothing's changed. So if you're in Nebula, you've seen this. A down, B up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is C. So again, like structurally, we're above this low. We haven't swept. We have made lower lows or lower highs, right? What we were looking for prior to today was higher lows. We failed that, but we have not swept this structure low here. So if we look at it like this, we can look at this as a, and why we're literally, why this is so important, like where we are right now as well. We can look at this as a 1 up. All of this being an A, B, C down. So this would be 2. As long as we don't sweep this December 20th low, we can be bullish above. So something like this probably, well, regardless, this could go up here, 5, 3, 4. That's possible. So ultimately, structure-wise, looking at it through this lens, we can be, again, we need to hold 580 because any further breakdown, and we're gonna sweep this low, which would change the outlook to something like that.
If you're on Nebula, take a look at Trade Chat Pro for a second, and then you know exactly what Dragon's saying.
Take a look at what, Archie?
Trade Chat Pro, the Helix Pro Access section where we talk about SPX. I've been
Okay.
posting there about this dynamics all morning long.
Okay.
So it's definitely like a high risk, but it has extreme potential.
All right, let's go.
So this is the bullish now for the bearish, and why we need to be very cautious here with the structure change. Now, getting rid of this, that's the bullish lens now. Obviously same structure. We do have a 5-wave move here. Like this is a 5-wave move into 580 here. As long as we hold this low that we tagged within a penny, right?
Yeah, it got you bearish, man. SPX was like 95% negative delta when we were talking. So that's why it was a little low. Yeah.
So that being a 5 again validates the bullish outlook, which would have been A down, B up, C is always 5. So if we hold this level, we're bullish above again. Covered that. Now, if we were to see a 3-wave move back into a resistance point, we flip this and we look at this.
Are you streaming, Darren?
Yeah. Basically, this 5-wave move is a 1, A, B, C is 2, and we'd be breaking down 3 like that. So we can use some reference points here. All-time high anchored VWAP is at 595. So without
Beautiful.
reclaiming 595, we are going to make lower highs, and the likelihood of us breaking down, as again, like this is a trend. We set a high, we sold off, lower high, sell off, lower high, sell off, lower high, sell off, big as fuck, right? Okay, big bounce, still lower high, big fucking sell off, higher high, big bounce, lower high, big sell off, right? That's a trend. So now, again, yes, we are bullish above 580. Now, the question remains, can we reclaim 595 to be bullish for all-time high in that bullish scenario? Or not? Or do we look to short 588, 590, 595 as they come? Probably going to be decent scalps because they're already, right, obviously resistance points that we've been trading nonstop for since we bounced into this range. So yeah, I mean, for me, like we shifted a little more bearish today, but we didn't break down. And I think that's like with Archie saying, like it shifted lower, but we're still here in range. We haven't broken down. Which again, like I think like this next week, like if you don't have now with his breakdown for me, like if I don't have 2 to 3 months of theta, like I'm just not fucking trading it. Other than like scalps. Cause like what is this? Inverse. Oh my god, this is literally gonna be really don't like the way this looks. Looks so bullish.
Spy?
To the downside.
Bullish to the downside.
Yeah. You want Archie back up? I just got so confused.
We are also bearish to the upside.
Okay.
Yeah, like the inverted chart looks like it's going up. Is what I was like
Oh, okay.
saying.
Hey, you want to check out Cat Dog Tom for me that you forgot to? look
Oh
at?
shit, yeah. Oh, I did look at it.
Forgot to tell me about?
Yeah, I mean it's in a third high here, so unless it can break out over 18, I think it pulls back into maybe 13.
Okay.
Excuse me. But yeah, on the 1 hour, I'd look at that as a diagonal into the fifth high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think
Crazy
it's
volume.
yeah, I think it struggles with 18, but if it breaks 18, it gets 22 and 27.
Ooh.
People like there's this thing too, right? Diamond tops. I think diamond tops, diamond bottoms, that's a thing, right? We definitely like we definitely did a diamond. So like that's definitely like what people would consider a diamond top on SPY. So like I'm definitely with that below 595. Dude, that XTIA was the most blatant and quickest and nastiest pump and dump I've seen in a long time.
Oh, yeah.
That shit happened in like less than 24 hours. And it went down further than it went up. One dude definitely put like half a mil into that shit and just dumped on everybody. Yeah, that one was the most violent one I've seen in a long, long time. So like that definitely could be coming back. That's a theme. Like that is a theme. Like nasty pump and dumps like that like you've seen everybody's seen like shit coins, right? Like that shit happens in the market. Like it happens all the fucking time in penny stocks, so like that could be coming back. So you definitely want to be cautious. Like it's a real thing when pennies start pumping, retail gets fucking hyped on them, retail starts buying pennies, and then the rug pulls start happening.
What was the ticker?
I'm just XTIA. I'm talking about just any though, like as a theme.
Yeah, get in and out.
It's like I mean hedge funds or people who understand market mechanics taking advantage of I guess like the quantum hype, really anything, just low floats. You can pump low floats very easily, and retail. So so like people take advantage of that, which is why like again like that will start to happen more frequently. So you have to be a little better on looking at size of float, paying attention to volume if you're trading that kind of stuff, which you should be anyways. But again, like you will start to see stock charts look like fucking shitcoin pump and dumps. It happens I mean, it's a cycle.
That's whenever people pull some Greek profiles and I look at the volume and it says only 200, 300, and I say like be careful. So because it's very liquid, it's not. It's because like if somebody were to place an options trade that is like 500 contracts, it will completely change the price direction. That alone, they can pump and dump. Not even needing to buy shares, they can do that with just options. So by forcing the hand of market makers.
Dragon, are you still buying dips on AI?
No,
Long?
AI was going to 30. Oh, actually just hit 31 and a half. Oh shit. So it could, that's the 0.5. I would be happier with a $31 sweep. 32 might do it. 32
Yeah,
is
just
the
pick up
point.
some longs. I wanted your thought.
32 is the 0.5. If I took a long here, I would position myself to add down to 30. And if 30 broke down, it'd be going to 25. So that's a lot of risk, like especially for options. So like a lot of times I'll take equity on the 0.5s, just to protect myself from that. Unless I was buying leaps. So that's just the way I think about it. Basically, like the bottom mathematically can absolutely be in against 32, but it has room down to 30 to still make the same move. So like I said, take that how you know and trade it if you're going to, obviously the best way for you.
Cool. Yeah, play some tight stops on it then. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning.
Good
What's up, dude?
morning.
Not much, man. How you guys doing?
Living the dream, bro.
Dude.
Hell yeah. I wish I
You
got.
too.
I'm done. I got like 2 hours of sleep last night for whatever reason, and so I feel like garbage. But I still did okay. I made my little bag. I gotta get off the screen, and I just wanted to say hi and see what's going on.
Nice, dude. Good job.
Hi.
Bye bye.
Hope you
Remind me
feel better.
later. Remind me later. I can try and pull it for you.
Do you have snow up there?
Me?
Mhm.
I'm in North Carolina right now, but we're heading back today. So yeah, I gotta leave that, but should be snowing up there. We're gonna be going to the mountain like ASAP.
little snowboarding.
Yeah, dude. Carvature.
Nice.
Smells like opportunity in here, huh?
You smell it too?
Theta bang.
Say the bang.
We're gonna have another week of it.
No mas.
Oh,
But it's blame the man. Nobody blame but me.
what a creep up slide.
Oof.
Gonna drop it low. Is this working?
Let's watch this first wave develop. We'll catch the low. We can long there. See what happens from there. Yeah, so I mean, ultimately, what I'm probably looking to do is buy whatever dip if it comes today for a scalp, and I'll probably just try to short at every level as we go higher. I want to see if we're gonna get 3, 1, 2, 3, and down, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Video working decent. It's into 137. Tesla real strong bounce after sweeping lows again. A, B, C, D.
Yes, sir. Oh, hold on. I'm going through Discord. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, you here? No, I'm talking. Oh.
Imagine if this whole dip gets bought. Very well could, especially intraday.
Let me just go back to 590.
Right in the
5 times
range.
5.
You know.
Dragon, I don't want to take you out of the zone. So if you have a moment, I'd like to ask you something about MicroStrategy.
Go for it.
I kind of have a bias that it wants to trade down to that 270 sort of demand zone, and those two huge green days. I don't know. I think it would make sense that they got people feeling really bullish before dropping it down there. So just your general thesis and maybe your thoughts about that. That's kind of where my head's at right now, is that it wants to go down to like 263 to 270, 275, something like that,
Mm,
and then reverse out.
I would say 325 is my pivot right now. Um, I'm in the camp that the yeah, I mean above 325, I think the low's in. And not really, I guess it would be a diagonal, wouldn't it? So if we were to go down, I think it would go quite a bit deeper than 270. I think we'd be looking closer to 220 if we were to break down from here. 3, 4. Let's see here. Maybe like 240. But it would be a 5 down from 390 rejection on the 6th. So my assumption would be break down to 260, 250, bounce 240. That'd be kind of how I see it breaking down from here.
Okay. And 325 is your pivot for that
Yeah.
thesis. Gotcha.
At least
Cool,
for
man.
now.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Well-
it's yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you had more, I'm happy to.
No, I
read
was just
out,
looking
man.
at the pattern and kind of the wedge that it's got. It's like this is what I would think it would be, just big diagonal, so C's 5, so if we had, or the diagonal inside is zigzag because it is a zigzag. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'd be working on 5, and usually on stuff like this, like the 5s are dirty bitches. So like I said earlier, like AI, like um uh, I mean, I could definitely, I could see this if we were gonna break down, which I'm not there yet. I don't think we're breaking down yet. I mean, I could see this thing sweeping $200. Um, in a certain scenario, if it broke down on a diagonal and had the extended fifth wave to break down, which is just, I mean, volume really
Yeah,
would be the determining
absolutely.
factor.
Yeah, I think this thing has a really wide range, and I don't know. I mean, Bitcoin can kind of pave the way, and it can do anything. It seems like to me, at least. So yeah, I just wanted your thoughts. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. And I'm gonna get some sleep. So good hunting to everybody, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hey, drive safe or fly safe back
Yeah.
home, brother.
Yeah, man, that's why I need to rest up. I will. See you guys. Love you guys. Bye.
Love you too, buddy.
Q's didn't sweep either, did it? So Q's did set a lower low. That's why I don't like it. Q's looks worse.
I'm back.
Q's is on a whole nother trend. So like if this works, dude, this is okay. So like flip this, you have one high. This even could be two highs. Oh, dude, I think fucking shit's about to just suck dick for a long time, honestly. Like we could come back into here. Like this is what we're gonna do, I bet. On Q's. So basically bounce into 515, short it to fucking 490, and then we can get a reversal. And then it's probably this massive fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. You, dude. CDT. What did it do? Reject 18? Oh.
Mhm.
Oh.
Imagine that. I was in at 11, so.
Oh. Serve holding up the entire fucking market. Oh no, it's not. It's down again. Oh no, it's not. It's up. I'm just kidding. We're at 18 fucking dollars. Let's go. Burrito robots saving the fucking day. Serve's a $40 fucking stock.
40 American dollars?
It was a $40 stock. It was a $24 stock at $7, and we did that. So now at 18, it's a $40 stock.
Wow.
The math
Nice
doesn't
to meet-
math, but
Nice to meet you. Tacos.
Nvidia burritos, baby.
Like, come to reality.
Whoa,
Good stock.
whoa.
I don't even know what that means, but The SPX data today is absolutely crystal clear. I'm gonna be from now on. If you want to find me on Discord, you will find me on the SPX bot room. Nowhere else. That's the only thing I'm trading for 2025.
Say that again, Vinny.
I'm
No,
only
you're-
trading it.
yeah,
Yeah, from now on. That's it.
That's it. Nothing else.
Nothing else. I'm just gonna make my money every single day from 5 points moves, and then every now and then I'm gonna leave runners, and it's gonna move 50 points, and I'm gonna be retiring by the end of the year. Is
Wow.
I'm
You already
still
retired to
recovering
Florida, so
from-
now where do you retire? Where you already live in
Right?
it? Going to Mars with Elon.
Oh, okay. That's a good plan.
Further south. He's back in Brazil pretty soon.
Softball.
Yeah.
So, bro, so beautiful. I can't wait to have Vanna on SPX.
Excuse me, guys.
So beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm ready. I could be just call out the day, and I made all my money for the week actually. Next week, that is. So I'm good.
What a bounce spine.
Mm-hmm. So much money.
Let's go, Nvidia, you fucking bitch. Let's go. Mm, mm, mm.
Do we? I think we have data at 12 or something at 12.
What data?
I don't know. Where the fuck is Baggy? It's some report. WASD.
Mm, mm, mm. Mhm. All right, if we're gonna hold this low of day, this is a wave 2 on the broader market. If it's not gonna hold, we're gonna break down. But um, corrections are in 3 waves.
Tell you what, it doesn't feel like Friday.
We haven't had a full week like in 3 weeks,
know.
right? Or 4 weeks.
Like, give me a full week.
All just keep the GME down. That's all they're doing. Hold
Yep.
all this shit. They off Jimmy Carter,
For real.
fucking New Year's and Christmas.
I'm not even convinced that that guy was alive when he was voting. So
I think he was like 100 years old, wasn't he?
yeah, do you see him? Like, I mean, by all means, drop GME lower so I can buy some. Why is Schwab not letting me log in? What the fuck?
Well, I'm gonna peace out. Hope y'all have a good trading day. Might be back later. But
So,
what's
Later,
that?
bro.
Peace, peace, peace,
you.
peace, 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 peace.
bye.
Take it easy, man. Bye bye.